Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know, now you do. And today I want to talk about Halloween costumes, specifically Halloween costumes for sizes 5X and above. So I have scoured Amazon and found some pretty cute Halloween costumes that I know we're doing this a little early. It's like September 16th when I'm filming this. But to be honest, as a plus size woman, I know I have to prepare way far in advance if I want to have the coolest things that everybody else has. So I figured now would be a great time to go searching for all the best Halloween costumes before they sell out. So stick around. I'm going to go through a bunch of costumes that all at least go to a 5XL, if not larger, and I hope you like them. If you have any other cool places that we could look for plus size costumes, let me know. Leave it in the comments below. And don't worry, all of the costumes are actually going to be linked in the description box, so you can just click on those links and go directly there to buy them. Alright, let's get started. So I've got my list here on my phone, and I also have pictures so I can help describe them to you. We're going to go through them. None of them are like a brand name because obviously like they've not bought the license for things, but that's okay. I will put up pictures of everything on the screen here, and let's just look at them. So costume number 1 is a Wonder Woman knockoff. So it's called the Wonderful Sweetheart costume. This one goes up to a 5XL, and so it's got a bit of a corseted body, some gold detailing, gold waist with like gold wrist things, right? The head thing, or the headband, I guess, and then like a frilly short skirt that's in blue. I don't know if the kick-ass boots come with it. You're probably on your own for that one. But this was really cool, and it's very detailed. It even looks like either sequins or like a sequin look-like material on the bodice part, so that would be really cool. Costume number 2 is an plus-size Lost in Wonderland costume. This one goes up to a 5XL, so it's sort of like an Alice in Wonderland knockoff, I guess. Let's see here, again has a pretty short skirt. It's got a little like hair bow, stripy and blue and black. It's very cute. I'm not comfortable wearing a skirt that short, but if you are, then you go ahead and rock it because that looks adorable. And the like latex leather looking gloves are sexy. So if that's the type of party you're going to, it does even have like a little bit of an off the shoulder like arm thing. There's some cute buttons. Very cute. Costume number 3 is what I would call like Queen of Hearts. So it's by Leg Avenue, which is a pretty popular costume maker for plus size, and it's called Plus Size Royal Red Queen Satin Dress and Crown Headpiece. This goes up to a 6XL according to Amazon, and this one is pretty dang cute. It comes with a little crown with hearts on it. It looks like it's corseted, but it's not actually. It's just a dress. Frilly, it looks like it's pretty well detailed. The sleeves are all puffy and mesh with red striping, and there's like the collar that sticks out. It is fairly short, although it does look like it's shorter in the front than it is in the back. And then it does have these little black gloves with it. I don't know if they come in the costume, as well as some fishnet tights, probably something you have to buy extra. But honestly, it looks very cool, and I would wear something like this, to be honest. I would definitely rock that. Alright, next one is an Alice in Wonderland, like the basic movie version that you would think of. So it's just a plain blue dress with a little white apron and like the collar and the hair bow, and you sort of have to do it up with like the tights and the bag and the shoes and stuff. But you could have a lot of fun with this. So if you wanted to take it to a bit more of an extreme, you could maybe shorten it or something. That's totally up to you. But otherwise, it looks pretty awesome. And it does go up to a 5XL as well. Okay, I think this next one is my favorite, and I have just been calling it the Cozy Fawn because it looks like just a hoodie or a hoodie dress, and it looks like a deer, like a baby fawn, a baby deer, which would be a fawn. Anyway, the hood has little baby antlers and ears. It's very adorable, and with a little bit of fun makeup, you could really do a lot with this, and it would be nice and cozy, especially if you have kids and you're taking them out trick-or-treating or something and you want to be warm but also look cute. This would be really fun. And the Cozy Fawn goes up to a 5XL. So the next one was called the Women's Hula Tan Grass Skirt with lei, plus size, super size Halloween costume. This one goes up to an 8XL, so that's pretty exciting. I did look at the measurements, and yes, it's a legit 8XL, not just like what Wish calls an 8XL. So you get like wristbands with the lei, an actual like neck lei, a head one, and then you get the grass skirt. And then all you have to do is sort of like put in a bikini top or put on your swimsuit underneath, and you're good to go. It's totally your confidence level on how much skin you want to show, and also where you are and how cold you're gonna be, I guess, because Halloween, I've seen it snow on Halloween here, but then if you live in like Miami or something, it could be beach time. Who knows? I don't actually know what Miami is like in the winter. I've never been there. So, next costume. This one is called, it's by Delicate Illusions. It's called the Plus Size Ocean Nymph Mermaid Women's Halloween Costume, and it goes up to an 8X, or a 32. So this one is basically a mermaid costume. It's all one color, and it isn't like super form-fitting to where you're not going to be able to walk, but it has like the little like mermaid skirt bit around it, and the whole dress looks like fish scales. It looks super cute and easy to wear and actually fit you. It doesn't look super complicated. It doesn't have like a little fishtail that you've got to drag around with you. This would be cool, like if you're gonna dress up for work or something, you could probably get away with wearing this. And it would look really cute. Plus it'd be really fun if you did your makeup all cool and then did your hair all cool or wore a wig or something like that. Alright, this one is by Sanctuary Designs, and it's a genie, the Genie Plus Halloween costume. It goes up to a 9X. On these ones, there is a size chart, and they give the measurements and everything, so it's actually a legit 9X. I didn't know that size existed, but thank you, because that means I can probably buy a Halloween costume. So this is a genie costume. It comes with quite a lot of accessories too. So it looks like a lot of fun, and it's not a crop top, it's like, seems like it's a one piece. So you can have a lot of fun with it and still be confident. You could probably wear it off shoulder. Lots of cool accessories too that you could play up or just add in your own jewelry if you want. And it could be a lot of fun to also do a really fun hair and makeup look, which would take off a lot of pressure with, now that you've got a cool costume, you don't have to make anything, right? So this one again is by Sanctuary Designs, and it's a Marilyn Monroe. So it's called Marilyn Monroe size plus super size Halloween costume. Goes up to an 8X, and it also has a tall version because obviously the Marilyn Monroe dress is quite short, so you can get it a little longer if you want. It does come with accessories again, with like a feather boa, some necklace and earrings. It does say accessory styles and colors may vary. That's totally cool. You really just need the white dress, and then you can play it up however you want. This could be really fun. You can wear a wig, you can do like the makeup, get really into it, wear some great heels if you want, and just like really play up the character of Marilyn Monroe. And I think it's great that they offer a tall version, even up to an 8X, because it means that it won't be like super short on you. So if you do get the super short one, I would suggest maybe just maybe putting on shorts if you want to. It's October, it's gonna be cold. That's all I'm thinking is like, does anybody really want a breeze up their dress? I don't think Marilyn Monroe would have even enjoyed it. And I'm pretty sure I saw something that said like, if she was actually standing over a steam grate, like in the movie where her dress flipped up, that she would have actually got like 3rd-degree burns on her thighs and her butt, because like hot steam would have come out. But I don't know if that's actually a thing. Anyway. And I think the last one is kind of like my favorite, not because of the design, because just this is what I would want to go for Halloween as. So this one is by Dreamscape, and it's called Go-Go Dancer Mini Dress Plus Size Halloween Costume. This one comes up to a 9X, and so you get a dress, and like a headband, a hat, a bunch of other accessories and like bracelets and earrings, and you get lipstick, nail polish. You can kind of do whatever you want with it, but you get a lot of stuff in the kit, and honestly, it's pretty cool. This is something that you could probably do on your own by just making the dress and putting it together the accessories. But if you wanted to, you know, be a go-go dancer or a hippie or whatever you want to call it, you could have a lot of fun with it. And you would, you know, it'd be easy to do for like hair and makeup too, because for the most part it was all about the accessories, right? Alright, so that was the final costume. I hope you enjoyed looking at all of these. Again, they're linked in the description box, so if you wanted to go and buy one or wanted to search for more, you can do that. Dreamscape, Sanctuary Designs, and Delicate Illusions seem to be the brands that had the most like larger sizes offered with their costumes, and that were actually larger sizes. So if that's what you're looking for and that's what you need, there's a good place to start. If you have any more suggestions for Halloween content, let me know. Leave it in the comments below. Remember, I do try and answer back as many comments as possible within the first 24 hours. So if you have something you want me to see, make sure you're leaving it before then. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to find me anywhere else, all of my social media links are in the description box as well. So come join me on Instagram, Facebook, you know, wherever you want. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!